Hello, peoples. So we're working on the welding truck. Just pulled the customer stuff out of the shop. I feel like this is a hard thing for a lot of people for some reason. I wired this truck up maybe 3 years ago, and this is the first time I've had to touch a light, which is cool. I'm happy with that. That's good. I don't use the best quality stuff in the world, and I don't mind fixing a corroded butt connector here and there. So yeah, the biggest thing for me is my logbook. I have to just keep writing down, the light is out, the light is out. So we have these two guys here. They do signals, they do brakes, and they do a running light. So they're wired together, and this one is just a running light. This doesn't do any of the stoppings or the turnings or anything. So when I hit the brakes, still works. When I do the turn signals, still works. But the running light function does not work. So I think that's either the black or the red wire. I can't remember. It'll probably have a label on the back side of it. It might not. I don't know. Let's find out. So I'll bring you closer. You can come hang out. This light is actually cracked a little bit. I don't know if it's all the way through or not. These are decent lights. Like, they're better than those, like, you know, incandescent grout ones that they saw. And grout sure makes probably good lights too, but I have an entire it's this stuff. I bet it's this limestone that they use on the roads here. It's so bad, but anyways, the white is ground, red is stop and turn, and black is tail light. So I'm gonna go ahead and say it's probably something to do with the black wire. Get this one out of here without breaking it. So yeah, it's this nasty stuff. I washed this yesterday, like underneath here, specifically this spot, because I knew that this was going to happen. We were going to be doing this. So let's take a look first. There's no corrosion on the light. There's no water inside of the bulb. So that's going to stay for a bit. Nope, no corrosion on this one either. Been in there for 3 years, not bad. Okay, so looking like it's zip tied up. So we're gonna probably grab a creeper and we'll go down there together. First thing I notice is my reverse light has become detached, but we're gonna be replacing these. I actually have new ones of these sitting on the truck, on the box. There's a, I think I said black wire before. Is this the black wire? Yeah, that's the black wire. So the black wire goes to two guys. So we're sharing the signal for the tail light. This is like the running light, just like the dim light. And it appears that I had the license plate light on that switch as well. So all three of these wires were actually together at one point. So this is super simple. I'm super thankful it's that easy and I don't have to mess about with my meter and all that kind of stuff. That's kind of where I was going with this video. So it is what it is. This might just turn into a maintenance thing, but yeah, so we're going to connect these three wires back together. The reason that this has occurred is the green death, the corrosion, the salt, the nastiness. And it is bound to happen when you double connect these wires together, because there's going to be a small amount of room for the wires to get in there, and if you give it even the tiniest bit, water can get in there. So this one appears to also green deathed. These are tiny little wires that go on these backup lights. I actually hate these backup lights. I have new ones because they have good warranty, but they're not good. Don't buy these kind. I'll show you them later in the video. But yeah, so we're gonna need butt connector, crimpers, heat gun. Connect all three of these together. Then we don't need to connect this back together because we're just gonna change these lights anyways. So let's stick with one thing at a time. Let's go get the stuff to fix this, test those lights, because that's going to fix our license plate light, which I didn't even notice was not working. So we got our reverse lights in. They both were the same thing, cheap aluminum wire, corroded. And we've got both of our running lights working. Same thing, one butt connector let go. So I'm just gonna do some cleanup here. I don't think we've got anything else to do. So